Humans were never the strongest, never the fastest. So, how did we end up ruling the entire planet? Our story begins in Africa, where a small group of humans faced a world full of danger. But something was changing. The world around them was becoming harder to survive. So they faced an impossible choice: stay or walk into the unknown. Step by step, humans began leaving Africa without knowing where the journey would end. Then, they reached a barrier unlike anything they had ever seen. Crossing the ocean seemed impossible, but turning back meant survival was no longer guaranteed. Someone had a simple idea. What if we could float instead of swim? No maps, no compass, just courage and the endless sea. Then, the ocean showed its true power. At first, they thought it was just another wave. It wasn't a monster, just one of the ocean's largest creatures. After days at sea, land was finally within reach. This wasn't an empty land. It belonged to giants. But the mammoths weren't the most dangerous animals here. Something else was hunting them. For a few seconds, neither side moved. Humans couldn't outrun predators. They couldn't overpower mammoths, but they had something no other animal had. That piece of wood was about to change human history forever. A single spear wasn't enough, but dozens of humans working together changed everything. The secret wasn't strength. It was making the mammoth move exactly where humans wanted. Then, one signal changed the future of our entire species. But teamwork wasn't enough. One discovery changed humans forever. Fire. Humans didn't just find fire. They learned how to control it. Cooking wasn't just about better food. It gave humans more energy to build bigger brains. For the first time, humans didn't spend every night trying to survive. They finally had time to think. One person could make a discovery, but sharing it with others changed the future of humanity. Animals could learn, but only humans could pass knowledge from one generation to the next. With every new generation, humans became smarter, more skilled, and ready to explore the unknown. Eventually, humans reached places no other human had ever seen before. Over thousands of years, humans spread across nearly every corner of the earth. Humans didn't conquer the world because they were the strongest. They conquered it because they learned, adapted, and worked together.